Hi, it's been a while since I made a video. I think I'll make one today. Hi, I'm Paul. Welcome to my messy workshop. If you've watched my videos very much, you know that I have a DowelMax doweling jig. And DowelMax sent this to me quite a while ago to do a review on, and I did, and there's a video. I'll link it down in the description. One of the things that I had kind of a problem with is I was kind of limited to a minimum thickness wood of 3/4 of an inch. And the reason for that is the bushings use a 3/8 drill. If you're using 1/2 inch wood, a 3/8 dowel is just too big. So I talked to DowelMax, and they sent me a kit to be able to use that with thinner wood, 1/2 inch. And what it consists of is a new set of bushings that take a 1/4 inch drill. There's a shim and a couple screws and a couple Allen wrenches. And let me show you how this all goes together and how it works on thinner wood. Now in the kit, like I said, there's a new drill bit and stop collar. This is a 6.5 millimeter, which is for all intent and purposes is a 1/4 inch drill bit. A new set of bushings. A new locating pin for when you space out dowels a certain distance, a shim, a couple screws, and some Allen wrenches. The way it works, it shims out this surface. That way it recenters the bushings for thinner material. So the way you install everything is you remove this face from the DowelMax. There's the registration check. There's the registration check on the new piece. You just put the new piece on. Start the screws. Snug them up. Don't have to over tighten them, just snug them up. And there's the shim installed. I'll put it back on the DowelMax. The next thing is to remove the bushings. They just unscrew. And screw in the bushings for the 1/4 inch drill. And that's all there is to convert the DowelMax to be used with 1/2 inch wood. Very easy. So let me get a piece of wood and we'll see how well it works. This is what I want to end up with. So far, and this is just 1/2 inch thick cedar. And what I've done so far is I've marked where my pieces are going to go. I've marked the reference sides on all of them. I've marked the reference surfaces on the edges, and I've got it all ready to go. The dowels that I'm using are 1.5 inches long. I want to leave a little bit of length at the end of them for glue. So if I take 1.5 inches and add a 1/4 inch to it, that's 1 3/4. Half of that is 7/8. So I've set my drill bit to drill into the pieces of wood 7/8 of an inch. So let's set a piece of wood in the vise and we'll see how this works. My reference face is here and here. So I'll take my DowelMax and I'll put that reference face to there, this reference face to here, line it up, and I can only get it to attach with one thumb screw because the other one's off the edge, but that's fine, it'll hold. This piece that I'm drilling into is only 1 3/4 inches wide. There's the holes in that piece, and I'll set it right back down, and I'll bring up the mating piece. Here's my alignment face, and I'll line that up, and I use these first 2 bushings, so that's what I'll use. And we'll put some dowels in there. And there we go. If I pull it out a little bit, I can see it lines up perfectly with my line. It's nice and smooth, fits well. That works great on 1/2 inch wood. The holes are right in the center and it comes out absolutely perfect. I'll drill the holes in the rest of this so I can show you what it looks like all put together. Well, all my holes are drilled. I have the dowels in and everything fits very, very nice. All the joints are nice and smooth. Take it apart again, put a little glue on it, clamp it up, and this part will be complete. Well, there you have it. It's possible to use the DowelMax for 1/2 inch thick wood. It worked great. Thank you to DowelMax for sending me the new bushings and the drill bit and all the associated parts. If you do a lot of work with thinner woods, it's worth picking up this kit. I want to thank you so much for watching my video. If you would, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't, please subscribe. I plan on getting some more videos out pretty soon. So for now, stay happy and stay messy.